Be brave. Take risk. Nothing can substitute your experience. No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you have come from, you can always change, become a better version of yourself, said by Madonna. Hi everyone, this is me, your Sushila Suresh. Welcome to our episode number 4 of Change Your Thinking. Here we go. Dedicate yourself to serving others. The truth is that you deserve everything you can rightfully earn by doing an excellent job and producing or distributing products or services that improve people's lives and work. In a market society such as ours, all transactions are voluntary. People buy something only if they feel that they are going to be better off as a result. You can therefore be successful in the long run only by providing people with the things they want to improve their lives and work. The more and better you serve other people, the more you both deserve and earn. The word deserve comes from the two Latin words, which means from and servire, which means to serve. Therefore, the word deserve means from service. The people who do the best in our society with few expectations are those who are serving other people better than someone else. Your whole focus in your career should be on serving other people better. Then you will deserve every dollar you earn. Abraham Lincoln once said, "The very best way to help the poor is not to become one of them." In our society, the more financially successful you are, the more taxes you are likely to pay. These taxes help pay for the schools, hospitals, roads, welfare, Medicare, military expenditures, and all the important things that our society offers. You can be proud to be financially successful. By making a lot of money, you make a significant contribution to lots of people. You do well for yourself by doing well for others. Repeat the words, "I deserve every penny I earn as a result of serving others with the products and services they need to improve their lives. I'm proud of my success." Repeat saying, "I'm proud of my success." You are an excellent person. How many of you know this? You are a thoroughly good person. You are honest, decent, truthful, and hardworking. You treat other people with courtesy, respect, and warmth. You are dedicated to your family, friends, and your company. You are strong, confident, and responsible. You are knowledgeable, intelligent, and experienced. You are important not only to the people closest to you, but also to your community. You were born for a special reason and you have a great destiny to fulfill. You are an excellent person in every way. The preceding paragraph is a statement of a real personality and character. It may not be true for you 100% of the time, but it is a good general description of who you really are inside and where you are going with your life. When you unconditionally accept that you are a truly valuable and worthwhile person, you will express it in everything you say and do. Over time, it will become true for you. Your ideal will become your reality. Repeat to yourself, I like myself and I love myself. I'm a thoroughly good person in every way and I always do my very best at anything I attempt. Repeat yourself. Your mental software store. Imagine that there was a store that sold mental programming. You could purchase any self concept, belief, or attitude that you wanted and install it in your brain. And that is the person you would be from then on. If such a store existed and you could buy a set of beliefs, what would you choose? Here is a suggestion. Look around you and find out what the happiest and most successful people in your world have developed as their core beliefs, and then get the same set of beliefs for yourself. Load them onto your mental hard drive and start running the same programs they are running. Fortunately, based on hundreds of interviews with successful people, we know exactly how they are programmed and what beliefs they have developed from an early age. The most important core belief you can adopt for yourself is this: I am thoroughly good person and I'm going to be a big success in life. Everything that happens to me, good or bad, is simply a part of the process of achieving the great success and happiness that is inevitable for me. If you absolutely believed that you were guaranteed to be happy and successful, and that every setback or obstacle was sent to you to teach you important lessons that you needed to know to achieve your goals, you would be completely unstoppable. You would be positive and optimistic most of the time. You would set big goals for yourself and bounce back quickly from any temporary defeat. Your belief would eventually become your reality. By changing your thinking, you would change your life. I will show you how to think so positively and effectively that you will feel free, yourself capable of accomplishing anything. You will learn how to program and reprogram your self concept so that your inner world is consistent with the person you want to be and the life you want to experience on the outside. You will learn how to become unstoppable. Take up these options. Define your ideals clearly. If you could be an excellent person in every way, what qualities would you have? How would you behave? You become what you think about most of the time. Identify one or more areas of your life where your thinking is having a major influence on your emotions, attitudes, or actions. In what area of activity do you perform at your best? How do you visualize yourself in that area? How could you extend this act of visualization to other areas? What kind of people do you most admire and respect? Why? How could you change your behavior so that it is more consistent with that of the best people you know? In what areas of your life do you like yourself the most? What sorts of activities give the highest levels of self esteem and personal value? How could you do even more of these things? You are thoroughly good person. From this day forth, see yourself as the very best you can be and refuse to accept any limitations on your possibilities. Change your self concept by continually thinking, talking, and acting as if you were already the person you would like to be, enjoying the life that you want and deserve. I wish you all to achieve a very good success in the journey of your life. Wish you all a very good luck.